In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a repository on GitHub. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. First, you need to log in on GitHub. Once you've done it, you need to click on this user navigation icon. This is my username. So now you need to click on repositories. That's it. Then you are going to next page. Now you need to click on this only new option. Again, you need to choose a name for this uh, project. So I type here uh, all web. Okay, now you need to type address. You can see all web is available. It's if it not available, it's going to red mark. So you can add extra 1 2 3 or otherwise any word. That's it, available. I hope so. Now you need to type address short description. So I write here anything. Okay, once you've done it, you need to choose it's public or private. So you can choose anyone. Then add a README. So I recommend you it's turn on. Then create a repository. That's it. Then you are going to the next page. Then now this is the add file option. Just click here. Then you can create a new file. Otherwise upload file. So I want to click on upload file. Choose your device. So okay, I have a zip code, so I need to upload on here. That's it. Okay, once you've done it, comment changes, upload optional. So you need to just click on commit changes. Processing your file. Okay, my file are already uploaded on my computer GitHub account. So that's it. So if you found this video helpful for me, feel like subscribe this channel.